on the top of the world. Yay! Whoa! Let's go to the top of the Ishigaki Island. Wow, look at that, man. I look like on the top of the world. Yay! Whoa, I'm scared, man. Well, this is not as high as you can go. You can go higher, actually. There is a higher mountain than this one, but here the view is fantastic. Especially today, it's very, very nice weather. It's a bit windy, but it's very refreshing and it's beautiful. I am on top of Sakieda Peninsula, and from where I am standing now, I can see Taketomi Island, Iliomote, Kohama Island, Ishigaki City, the Bay of Nagola, Kabila, Uganzaki. This is an incredible place. And it's just surrounded by the jungle. Wow! It took me 30 minutes to climb up. I use a off-track trail, kind of. I don't know if it's the correct word. And now I am here. So this trail is actually not popular. You can climb here by going by the road with a car, and you have just 5 minutes walk, which is not interesting. When you see the view, this is Nagola Bay over there, and Ishigaki City is over there. And if we spin this direction toward the northwest of the island, over there is Kabila, and if I keep going, so you can see I'm just surrounded by the jungle, and you cannot. This is Uganzaki. That's my previous video was there, so you can see how high I am. I started my hike from nearby there. So it's quite a climb, but it's not so difficult. It's just climb inside the jungle. But there is a clear path, but it's not popular. Obviously, people prefer to take a car and just walk for the last 5 minutes hike. But look at that view, man! It is beautiful. And one thing I cannot show you on the video is how the air smell. How can I describe it? The aroma of the air. It's a flower aroma, which is I cannot really show you now because it's a bit far. But a lot of trees have a lot of white color flowers, and those flowers are just, it's like, wow, I cannot describe it. It's like walking inside a room filled with shampoo. It's not aggressive, it's like just the air is fragrant. It's wonderful. It's wonderful to be here. I can hear some birds, and I'm not sure the recording will catch it because they are a bit far. But that bird is called, I think it's Alcyon in English, a red Alcyon. It's a beautiful little red bird, and it comes to Ishigaki every year around June till September, October. And that bird singing is beautiful. It's a beautiful bird, and it's kind of easy to see it. So, yeah, how is beautiful Ishigaki from this angle, right? This morning I was swimming in the sea, and this afternoon I am climbing atop the jungle. What a beautiful place to be. And you can see, it's not popular at all, nobody around. And we are the last day of May for the record, which means the rainy season just ended. So now, obviously I need to go down. So I'm going to turn a bit to show you, but I'm trying not to fall off the cliff. Otherwise, that would be the end of the channel, right? If I fall a cliff. So I'm going back to there, over there, near Uganzaki lighthouse. And you can see it's as I said, it's 35 minutes climb. So it's pretty much the same to go down. But it's, wow, the view is so nice. It's like, I think I could stay here the whole day, just staring, listening to the nature. Like, I don't know if you can hear, apart of the wind, all those summer insects. Like, the whole mountain is singing. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's refreshing. I can see the whole bay. I'm going to turn to show you. The bay over there is the bay of, well, I forgot the name as I talk. You know me, right? I'm like a zebra. I forgot why I run. What a beautiful place. Wow. Can you imagine if you live in the city, how long it takes you to go out of the city, just to go out to a place like doesn't have to be like here, but it's like to be in nature. Some cities are really close to nature, but some cities take you like a couple of hours by train or by car to get to some place you are near to nature. I feel like so privileged. Of course, it's a choice. I got some difficult things to deal with being here sometimes, but it's not a real problem really, right? It's like, life is beautiful here. Wow. Especially today, the weather is excellent. It's like 27, 28 degrees. It's not too hot, not cold, and the humidity is not yet up, which is rare for the end of May. Normally we got, it's very humid, but this morning was a northern wind, and now I can see it's getting hazy. So I believe from tomorrow it's going to be very different weather. It's going to be the hot and wet season starting. So it is near 5 p.m. It's time for me to go down before it gets too dark inside the jungle. I hope to catch you on the next video. Bye bye.